Whoa, hello! Today we are removing LR44 battery and change it to AA battery for this humidity and temperature monitor. How it inside? Only two wires, plus and minus, and holder for AA battery. I have a lot of rechargeable battery.
What I printed today, that's a whip way. Get that 3D printed vibe, come on and subscribe.
How new trailer for you? I think a lot of video about 3D printing will be, so yep, case for this project. You can support me on Patreon and download it. New wires, plus and minus, plus always brighter. I have a yellow color. Holder, plus and minus. Everything simple. A little bit soldering. Oh, smoke, yeah. And how it looks. Not bad. We can take it, recharge, and put in the place. I thought about cover, but it's okay and like this. So, like, subscription, and support me on Patreon. Bye bye, my dear friends.